Hey, can you solve this exponential equation in under 30 seconds? P square minus PQ equal 12. Then what's the value of P? Most people try complicated logarithms immediately and get it stuck. But there is a hidden trick that makes the whole problem much easier. Pause the video right now and try it yourself. Ready? Let's solve it step by step. So here we can write p square minus pq and take the 12 from right side to left side, like minus 12 is equal to 0. After that we can write p square minus p cube minus bracket, we can write a 12 as 8 plus 4, right? Yeah, we are following the mathematical terms, nothing else here. Now we can write p square minus p cube, and this minus and 8 will be minus 8, and minus times 4 will be minus 4. So here we get p square minus pq minus 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. Now we can write p square minus pq, and we can write this 4 as a 2 square, and minus we can write 8 as a 2 to the power q is equal to 0. So if you kindly look here, we get the clue number 1. Attentionally, we can write p square minus 2 square and pq minus 2q. The clue number 1 is we can apply here the exponential formula, which was a square minus b square and aq minus bq, right? The exponential formula was a square minus b square is equal to bracket a plus b times bracket a minus b. Okay, it's right. And the second exponential formula was a cube minus b cube is equal to a bracket a plus b times bracket a square minus 2ab plus b square. Perfectly, we are writing the exponential formula. Now if you closely look in this equation and this formula, you can get the relation between them. We can get the first relation, p square minus 2 square with a square minus b square, and pq minus 2q relation with aq minus bq. So here we can perfectly write a is equal to p and other b is equal to 2. Alright, so now we just apply this formula into the equation, then we'll get bracket p plus 2 times p minus 2 minus, from the equation, bracket p plus 2 bracket p square minus 2p plus 2 square. We can easily write 4 equal to 0. So after that, from this exponential equation, we can easily take common here p plus 2. So we have to common p plus 2, then we can write second bracket, first bracket p minus 2 minus bracket p square minus 2p plus 4 is bracket equal to 0. Alright, after that we can get here p plus 2 second bracket p minus 2, and this minus and p square will be minus p square, and then minus and minus will be plus 2p, and this minus and minus will be minus 4 equal to 0. So after simplifying this equation, we can get the final will be p plus 2 bracket p square minus plus p and p will be 3p, and this plus and minus 4 and 2 will be minus 6 equal to 0. So here we get two equations. Now either we can write p plus 2 is equal to 0. So from this we can write p equal minus 2. So here we get our first answer of p value p1 equal to minus 2. This is our answer number 1. So here the our equation was minus p square plus 3p plus 3p minus 6 equal to 0. So we can easily multiply this equation with minus, then we'll get p square minus 3p plus 6 equal to 0. So we get this is a quadratic equation. Now here if you attentionally look, then you get the equation was p square minus 3p plus 6 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. We have to use here the rule of quadratic equation solving. With you also have to use the quadratic formula. So here we get a equal 1, b equal minus 3, and c equals 6. So here we can write the quadratic formula, which was p equal to bracket minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now we have to just replace the a, b and c's value in this formula and just simply easily calculate it. Then we get the other two value of p1 and p2 times 2a. Now we can write it like minus and minus will be 3 plus minus 3 square will be 9 minus 24 by 2. So now it will be 3 plus minus root over minus 15 minus root over 1 times equal to. So we can write 3 plus minus root over 15 times I divided by 2. Why we write I? Because you know the complex value I equal root over minus 1. So from here we get our next two value of p, which was 3 plus root over 15 I divided by 2, and p cube 3 will be 3 minus root over 15 divided by 2. This is our final other two answer, and final answer p equal 1 equal 2. Thank you.